Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to remove those vertical lines on your TradingView chart, which are also known as the session breaks. So if you are interested in the TradingView subscription, if you are looking for the discounts on the TradingView subscriptions, you can just simply check out the link of this deal page in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month free. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you hurry up if you are interested. Now, when you are here on the tradingview.com in your web browser, you just have to log in into it if you haven't already. Now, click on this search bar here on the top. Then by default, you will be on the all section, but you just have to come here on the stocks, then select your country, then launch the chart of that particular stock on which you have the vertical lines or the session breaks available. Now, as you can see, currently on this chart, there is no session breaks related information available. But on your chart, if it is available, simply right click on the chart, then come here in the settings. You can also click on this settings icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. This way too, you will be landed here on the settings page. Now over here, you just have to come here in the events tab. In the events tab, you are going to see the option of session breaks. So here you just have to turn on the option of the session breaks. You just have to basically turn it off and all of your session breaks will be removed from the chart. If you are using any kind of indicators relating to the session breaks, you just have to use this particular drop down menu. Then from this eye icon, you can hide it. With the help of it, you can basically get it back here on your chart. If you want to remove this indicator, simply click on the option of delete, or when you right click, you can click on the option of remove indicator. So this way you will be able to basically remove these vertical lines or the session breaks here on TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.